And federal government, you are sitting on your throne doing nothing. Ìkànnì o, dá o, feel pé ṣoríire ni, ṣoríire o. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí ẹ ń kó sórí ó máa padà pa yín o.
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
To cause this nation, you want to put it in havoc. Ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí everybody kó máa tọrọ jẹ, kí everybody kó kú pọ̀ gan lójú títì because ẹni tó bá jalè ó máa pa. Now, jẹ́ kí nǹkan wà very, very minimal. Federal government, you are not putting your federal custom on check. That means nobody will be able to import anything. Now, people that does not do forex trading, which is importing and exporting, they are not going to know anything about this. But this time around, you are making life very difficult. And it's only moto no compound madenity or ninka because àwọn èèyàn máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní họ́ọ̀dì mọ́tò wọn sì wọn ò ní tà mọ́ because tó bá ta kò sí ohun tó máa rà mọ́. Ṣé ti máa ta Corolla ní 12 million naira? Ṣé inú ẹni tí ó ra Corolla yẹn tó kó 12 million naira tó yẹ kó fi kọ́ ilé lẹ̀? Ṣé inú ẹ̀ máa dùn? And federal government, you are sitting on your throne doing nothing. Ìkànnì o, dá o, feel pé ṣoríire ni, ṣoríire o. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí ẹ ń kó sórí ó máa padà pa yín o. Àwọn èèyàn ò ní rówó ra mọ́tò mọ́ o. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pààyàn kiri ní Nàìjíríà ni o. Ẹ rò pé kò sí peace wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ọmọ èèyàn ò ní rówó ra mọ́tò mọ́ o. Wọ́n máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pààyàn kiri ní Nàìjíríà ni o. Ẹ rò pé kò sí peace wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Wọ́n máa lọ sínú government house lọ́ máa pa àwọn èèyàn because ẹ wo nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣe. You are putting stress on Nigeria. Turkey ẹyọ kan ní ibi tí wọ́n ti ń ta oúnjẹ ó ti di 4,000 naira. Nísìn tí gbogbo nǹkan ti ń rise, Turkey máa di 5,000. Turkey tó yẹ ká rà ní 1 pack for 4,000 naira. Ẹyọ kan oṣooṣo ti wá di 4,000. Ṣé rí pé nǹkan ti wà unbearable?
Cement 9,000.
Cement ti wèrè Dangote yẹn ó ti di 9,000. Ẹ dẹ̀ lọ sí neighboring country Africa. Wọ́n tà ní 1,500 níbẹ̀. Ẹ dẹ̀ ń jẹ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan níyàn lára. Yorùbá ló wà lórí throne o. Yorùbá tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ fi sí. Kókó mi ò gba owó o. Ẹ ní ṣoríire o. Ẹ ní ṣoríire o. Bẹ́ bá ṣe ń jẹ́ kó ẹ kàn sọ fún mi. Talẹ́ ni ibo ló fi sí tọ́rọ̀ ìtì ẹ̀sìn pé ẹ láti máa increase cost of living. Is it that ẹ fẹ́ pa everybody? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ pa everybody ni? Ẹ sọ fún mi, even the billionaires tó jẹ́ normal billionaires tó ṣe ń dìde wọn ò ní rí nǹkan ṣe mọ́ because poor people ló ń fìdí yín. Owó poor people lẹ fi ń di billionaire. Poor people yín ò wá ní rí nǹkan kan ṣe mọ́. School Lady Luck Institute ní Alago Méjì ń bẹ̀ yẹn ẹ lọ wò. The Lady Luck is still the way it was when I was in primary school way fucking long time. Your children will go to Australia, they will go to Germany, they will go to Japan, to go Nagasaki, they will go everywhere to go to school. But I know you don't fucking care. But in black market, watch it. You will see what will happen to this nation. I know that if you come very soon, come and fly, come and say, do you remember this place? Our black people come and baby by telling them go on Nigerians. I do everything, but I do everything. Everybody know my genuine. Nature need law. Every bank MDs that has made this country because people are billionaire and you can call them paid cost of living poor people on low feed here. Without the poor, you cannot exist. Every billion you've made out of the poor. And now you want the poor to die for it. Oh, no. Try and make a mistake and elect me as your president. You will all pay for it. Just make a simple mistake and elect
This is OĽUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.